Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel or my Shady World. In this video, I will show you how you can sort the values in Python. Sorting the value means in which particular order you want to arrange your whole data set. Let's say in ascending or in the descending manner. This you can achieve either by one specific field or by the combination of the field. But how you can do here in Python, I will show you in this video. For this, you need to import a library that is Pandas. Pandas is the most important library when it comes to some data manipulation. So sorting the values is also one of the data manipulation tasks or one of the data exploration tasks. So here, as you can see, I have already imported Pandas library, and this is a data that is based on car. So that data I have already pulled here, and it's stored in the data frame df, and these are the first five columns of that data file. In this, you can see this model, car model, MPG that is miles per gallon, CYL that is cylinder, and these are related to that car specific details. So let's say I want to sort this data with respect to some cylinder and MPG. I want to sort this data in terms of both of these fields, but I want to sort this on the basis of descending order by MPG. That means the value has to be in the increasing to the decreasing order, which means something with the highest value has to be on the top and the lowest comes after that. And cylinder in some smallest value, and it should go to the highest value. So my means is cylinder has to be in the ascending order and the MPG has to be in descending order. Yes, you can achieve your sorting of data with terms of combination of the fields as well. So let's see here. Here I have to first call the data frame, that is here df dot sort underscore values, and within this parenthesis I will write here these two columns on the basis on which I want to sort this data. So here I will call in the bracket one is mpg and the another one is cyl for cylinder in colon, sorry, in the single quotes. And after this I will also after this just write here comma and write here ascending is equal to, and again in the brackets I will write here mpg has to this ascending is in boolean character, so you have to mention here false comma true. The reason behind is false is for the mpg. Why ascending is equal to false, which means that mpg I want in the descending manner, and the cyl I have make sure that the ascending is equal to true, which means that the cylinder has to be in the ascending order. So that's how I said so. And after this, I want to just get the top 5 records of this sorted value. So I will write here the head, and in that I will mention here the top 5. But let's say I want to have top 10 of top 15, let's say. And now run the cell. Once you do, you can see here now the whole order has been changed. This was of 0 to 4, that was the top 5, but it was still the end of that file. But here, as you can see, the index numbers have been changed because we have changed the order of this, because the MPGA we put it in a descending order. So now you can see this MPG, if you scroll down to this whole column, you can see they are in the descending manner. And if in cylinder, you can see in the ascending. After 4, you can see the 6, and so on will be the 8. And if you see this whole data, then this is how it is. So how we have achieved this. So if you compare this, both the condition, how it's satisfied. Toyota Corolla, which is MPG 33.9, is in cylinder 4. This is in the ascending and the least value of from the cylinder. Similarly, if in MPG the highest value is 33.4, sorry, 33.9, and after that there is a Fiat 32.4, which is in the descending manner, but the cylinder remains the same. So this is how you can see till this 15 records that it's achieved. So this is how you can sort your data frame with calling this method sort underscore values, which is available within Pandas package. And this is how you can call. You can also achieve with just with the one field as well, but I have shown you the both the ways that uh, not just with single, but if you want to have a multiple columns and you want to achieve this ascending descending, if you want to add let's say I want to add one more here, um, with the HP as well. So let's say if I want to see with the HP and I want to see something with some descending order, the highest high power of that horsepower. So let's run this cell now. So as you can see now, again, Toyota Corolla with the highest, that is horsepower is 65, but that is coming under the third category. So if you see here, the Lotus Europa, which is 30.4, which is not the most highest value, but if you can see the horsepower, it is 113. So this is how there is a change. Why there is a change? Because we put this condition and in some specific order. So that's how this whole Python will take. It will first take the consideration of MPG, then the cylinder, and then comes the horsepower. So this is how you can sort your data, and try this out and do let me know that did you achieve that, and how successful you were. And if you really like this video, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please support me, share this video to all your friends, and till then, happy learning.